So this is a quick introduction to how to use our dishwasher. So the dishwasher is actually hidden in the cupboard. So just open here and here you find it. So you just pull it out. You put in your dirty coffee cup like that. You close it. So for the soap, you'll look under the sink. Under the sink you'll find these small tablets here. You take the tablets and you insert them into this hole right here. You close this lid. Make sure it's stuck. Then you'll close it like this. And up here you see the display just before you close it. First thing, you press this one. You will see the display light up. With this button here, you can change program. So if you notice, this light here will change. So I will just pick this short program here. You can also add or remove the turbo function. I will put it on for now. As soon as I then close here, it will actually start. You'll be able to hear when it started. So I will just open it for now. If it doesn't work, there might be two things that you need to take a look at. So either this light here this little symbol here will light up. That means that you need to put something that we in Danish call afspændingsmiddel in, if this one right here lights up. You will find that underneath here. It looks like this. You basically open this one here and insert it right here. And you basically just keep on adding until it flows over like that. And then you close this one again. This only needs to be changed once every second week. So most likely you will never experience this. Another thing that sometimes needs to be added is this one down here. This is salt. So if this one, the lowest one here, lights up, you open this one, and inside here, this here's the salt container. You see it has the same mark. So you just turn this one. It's full of water, and you can see there's actually salt down here. If this one lights up, in here you find these bags. They're always white and green. It says salt on the side, and you basically just pour it into this one until it flows over. When you've done that, just turn this back on, close this one again, and then if this one was lighting before, it should have stopped lighting again. And you can just close it and it will start. That was a quick introduction to our dishwasher.